Hey guys, welcome to my special video. We're here with my friend Flair.
Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna be playing a Backrooms game today.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
But first.
What do you? What is he doing?
Shh, close your eyes and turn around. It's a gift.
I closed my eyes. I want to open them.
Okay.
My eyes closed. The viewers can see it, but I can't.
Mm-hmm.
I actually have my eyes closed. Tell me when to open them. I swear, if it's something sussy, I'm going to kill you. What is that? Is that
Among Us?
Why is it Buff?
Why Among Us?
Why is it Buff, bro?
His name is Junior.
Okay, let's walk to the end of this hallway.
Appreciate him. Now, kiss him.
Hi, Jim. Okay, let's go to the end of this hallway and get transported into the game.
Yeah. I'm bringing Junior.
One.
My child.
Okay, we're here.
Yeah. Hey, how did my snake get here?
We are, dude. We were in the back.
Wait, are we in the back room?
How do you still have that? Oh. Bro, it no-clicked with us. How? Let's go. Let's go into story mode.
Let me just...
Bro, how does that thing keep following you?
It's so Junior. Junior's my child.
Oh, he's dead. Let's go. You want to be chased by a howler? Go down that way.
A howler? Junior. Oh, he's on my butt. Run. Junior. We can do this, Junior. We can do this.
I'm scared.
Ah!
Down here.
Same.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we just walked through a wall. How does he keep following you? We keep going through different subrooms, and Junior keeps following him. We went from a completely different game.
What's this?
It's a button.
I'm gonna press the button.
Can you distract that thing for me?
What the hell is that?
Trust me, I've played this game before. I know what I'm doing. Grab this. Step back. Step back. Step back. Go all the way back here.
I'm running. Junior, we can do this.
That happened.
What's happening?
Can you distract him, please?
Ow! I swear to God, if you touch Junior, I'm gonna rip open your testicles.
Okay, just
come here, buddy.
Make sure he doesn't track onto me, because I need to open the doors. Just run in circles. Did you just get killed? I'm about to get killed, aren't I? Get through there, get through there. Just hit the button, okay? Wait, can you die real quick? Dude, I need to do it. I need to beat it. Go on the planks. Oh, and he fell. Over here. Okay, I'm scared. Okay.
I'm gonna run this way.
Where's the entity? Jesus! Oh, damn. I'm dead. Bro, what? Nah. Bro, stop saying words. I can hear you from back here. By the way, if you hear his voice twice, it's because we're in the same room. Apparently, he still has Junior, guys. I'm almost beating it. Yeah, I'm almost out of the room. I'm out. Okay, we're in the elevator now. Let's go.
The thing's on a wall.
What is that?
I don't like that sound.
I'm going to
What?
unlock my inner gorilla.
Oh.
Monkey, monkey, monk, monkey.
Oh no, I'm just running. I don't want to be a monkey. I just want to run. Me and Junior will survive while you monkey around.
Monkey, monkey.
What the?
Monkey, monkey. Going the wrong way. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Well, I didn't know that. I have Junior in my arms. So of course I'm not gonna know.
Yeah, up here.
Where do we go now? It's right behind us. We gotta go.
Over here. No! Monkey! Monkey! Monkey, monkey!
My Junior.
Are you like birthing him? Did you like my monkeying skills last level?
Yeah.
I want to see if I can do them again. I'm a monkey.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, it doesn't have a jump scare? What? Oh.
How are you not dead? Wait, what?
I died.
Junior. The window monster almost killed me.
Come on. Where are we?
Wait, what is that? I don't know. Ooh, a window. What the? Wait, what is that?
Nah, bro. Look at me. I'm a monkey.
I'm gonna drain him.
I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. My gorilla tag skills have laid off. What?
You're a monkey?
Nah. Back up. I think I just hit a cat. I think I just hit a cat on his forehead. Damn. I remember this level. Because I didn't... I already know everything is. He's after me, dude. I got it. I got it. Okay. So it's gonna... Down there. Down there. Down there.
Get him. I got it. I'll make it.
Dude, I just died. Wait. Dude, I've heard of this glitch. Do not go through the door until I tell you to, okay? It's this glitch that kills you. Then you can do all the things without the monster killing you. No, don't.
Can I put this in my room? And would it stay in there if I did?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know where I'm going after.
Bro, that took me so long. Viewers, can you agree? How? Oh, see, you got bugged too. Wait, we don't go through it immediately.
I'm confused.
Come here. We should at least see the monster. Damn. You missed out on that. I don't care though.
Oh.
Monkey mode. Monkey mode. Monkey mode. I don't care though.
Okay.
How did we get here? No, there's something chasing us! There's something chasing us!
level.
Where are we?
Or
Dude,
something.
why does it say your speed?
Whoa.
Bro, wait, stop. No, come here.
Okay, I like that.
Just look at this. Bro, what is this? I just swing. Dude, I'm not even putting on my thumbstick. Can I beat Usain Bolt?
Holy crap, I'm going.
Oh my god, wait, I think I can, wait. Oh my god, dude, I just reached 36 miles per hour. 32. Okay, let's, I don't know. What is that? We can juke it though. We're back.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
We beat it! Ew, what dude, what happened to your snake?
What's blue, man? Fuck.
You swore! Stop swearing.
Whoopsie.
Why'd he turn into that guy? He was a snake before, but now he looks weird.
Hey, you're probably gonna have to read.
Well, guys, we're gonna run to the eyeballs. Actually, no. You wanna know what we're gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna run towards the eyeballs.